Try to write a letter to tell you how I feel, but all I kept on writing was slipping on the tears from the day when I was young and brave. Now all these hotel lobbies are filled with what's to me lonely midnight drivers drifting out to sea, and all those late night lovers don't make things better to me. So let it roll into me. Let it roll into you. Let it roll into me. Let it roll back into when I had you. So I watch the snow come calling, and I celebrate the spring. I feel the falls keep falling, and when the summers come, I will pretend that I don't notice that this is when I notice most of all. So let it roll into you, me. Let it roll into you. Let it roll into me. Let it roll back into when I had you. All you ever wanted from me was the time to understand. And all I ever wanted for you was to see me shining for you. And I wish that I could be back in the day that I could say, let it roll. Let it roll into me. Let it roll. Let it roll into you. Let it roll back into when I had you.